Hello everyone and welcome to my channel at Learning Easily. Today through an example, I'm going to show you how you can import informations and tables from different websites on internet into your Excel sheet. In Excel, under Data tab, we have an option which is called Get External Data. By using this option, we can import our tables and information from any website. But obviously, first we have to search for our information online, and then we have to copy the link for that information and then bring it here. And by using this option, those information will be imported here in this Excel sheet. Let's say we want to have information related to consumer price index of different countries here into our Excel sheet. So I'm going to open my browser and search for that information. List of countries by consumer price index. There are a lot of websites which contains information related to consumer price index, but I will go with the first one. Yeah, here we have a table which contains countries and their consumer price index. I'm copying the link for this information, and then I move back to my Excel sheet. I click on the Data tab, then I click on Get External Data option. There are a few other options, but we have to choose from web. So by clicking from web, another window will open. We have to paste our information's link up here. So I'm going to paste our information's link here, and then I'm clicking on this option, go. Our information will open here. If you read up here, it says that by clicking on this icon, on this orange icon, we can choose which table we want to import into our Excel sheet. I think in this window we have two tables, so I will go with the second table. I will select on the on that icon. Yeah, our table is selected. Now we will click on import. Yeah, so here we have two options. We have option of inputting our information into our existing worksheet, or by selecting the second option, which is new worksheet, we can import our information into a completely new worksheet. But for this example, we will select the first option, which is existing worksheet. And then we have to click into our sheet where we want this information to be imported. So I will click here, and then I will click OK. Here you go. We have our information related to consumer price index imported into our Excel sheet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you next time.